सर लास्ट में अभी ऑप सिंदूर हुआ, जिसमें भी हर किसी ने देखा सर कि एयरफोर्स पहली बार इतने एक्टिव रोल में थी, एंड जहां आर्मी में एयर, आई विल से कि आर्मी एयर डिफेंस ने मेजर रोल प्ले किया। सर आपका टेक क्या है कि किस तरह से?
अगेन मैं यूएस जा रहा था।
सर
19th मई आई फ्लू एक्चुअली टू यूएस। मुझे 18 तारीख को फ़ोन आता है यार कि सर कैन यू राइट समथिंग ऑन द ऑफेंसिव एयर ऑपरेशंस ऑफ सिंदूर। मैंने कहा डेडलाइन, अगेन वही डेडलाइन की बात होती है ना। सर 25th में ऐसे यार 25 आई एम जस्ट रीचिंग यूएस मे बी 19th को, तो मैं जा रहा हूँ। एक दो दिन जेट लैग, फैमिली में डॉटर वगैरह किड्स से कोई 31st तक आप दे दो। तो आई पब्लिश एन आर्टिकल ऑन दिस एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू टॉकिंग अबाउट। एयरफोर्स का जो रोल है, मैं आज नहीं, मैं करीब जब से ये थिएटर कमांड की बात शुरू हुई, मैं बता रहा हूँ बिपिन रावत के टाइम में, जनरल रावत के टाइम में, जब से मैंने आर्टिकल्स पब्लिश करे हैं, लिखा है, द एयरफोर्स इज द फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्डर, लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट,
यस सर,
in any
यस
emergency, because we can get off the ground in I mean normal day we get off the ground in half an hour, 20 minutes, 45 minutes, depending on the warning given, plans वगैरह बना के। in what time we are on readiness for 2 minutes take off and 5 minutes take off and वगैरह वगैरह। The surface forces, I mean, they are a very important part. My brother is from the army. Okay, my elder brother is transport pilot. So I have nothing like trying to say which is better and which is
Bias,
not. We are
yes.
all one team. Okay, everybody does his job wherever.
इट्स अ कंप्लीट पैकेज सर।
हाँ, सब लोग का अपना अपना रोल है। But we certainly, by the effort, because of its instrument we use, because of the way we go about air power, we'll be the first responders. So I've been saying it for a long time. So what we saw in Sindoor is not new, because बालाकोट में भी वही करा था हमने,
Yes.
देखा जाए तो 2016 यूरी के बाद आपने सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक करी थी थोड़ी सी, जो भी अंदर जाके बालाकोट स्ट्राइक वाज अगेन एयरफोर्स। सो सिंदूर में भी वही हुआ, but the tactics have changed because of the weapons and the technology that has come in. But wherever you want to, let's say you want to tomorrow respond to Maldives,
Yeah.
who went? Paras.
Yes sir.
And IL-76s took them there. Okay. So you will have to respond with the Air Force. A very important role that they will play. But it's part of the team. I mean, I still feel that if you want my views on theatre command, I've been saying what is required is not command, right? What is required is better coordination. Right? The joint planning. Jointness comes from planning together. Then individual components will do it. Under command, to ye, I don't know why the army and the navy are, they want, and they'll break up. Unfortunately, see, you have theatre commands in the US Air Force, which the US Navy is bigger than the US Air Force, and thousands of aircraft they have. Okay, US Marine is a separate Air Force, वगैरह वगैरह. They can afford to say, okay, Pacific में इतने assets, but when required, we will beef them up. Okay, but so that theatre command has got those assets. हमारे पास है क्या, और एरिया कितनी है आपके पास? तो अब आपके पास 42 स्क्वाड्रन भी फुल स्ट्रेंथ भी हो फाइटर्स की, यू स्टार्ट डिवाइडिंग इट इन 4 कमांड्स, नॉर्दर्न कमांड, ईस्टर्न कमांड, वेरेवर, वेस्टर्न कमांड, 3 at least 3 odd ग्राउंड कमांड यू विल हैव, 2 odd मैरीटाइम कमांड, आप 5 डिवाइड कर लो। फिर जब होगा, आई गिव यू अ जोक व्हिच केम द अदर डे, फिर जब कुछ तकलीफ होगी, आप पूछोगे सीडीएस से और चीफ से क्या कर सकते हैं, वो बोलेगा थिएटर कमांड से पूछ लो। थिएटर कमांड बोलेगा मैं एयर कंपोनेंट कमांडर से पूछता हूँ, वो क्या करेगा। मैरीटाइम कंपोनेंट कमांडर बताएगा मेरे को नेवल क्या करेगी। हाउ विल यू रिएक्ट इन टाइम? सो इट्स बेटर टू हैव अ good team on top. The higher defense management should be where all 3 services sit together and plan jointly and train together. But don't try and put assets, divide assets and put them under command. What is not required, in my opinion, personally, for better utilization in our circumstances. Because today, Western Command fighter can be in Eastern Command in 2 hours.
Yes, as per requirement.
Ferry करके वो वहाँ से launch कर देगा. I mean, Ambala Rafale can be in Hasimara within an hour and a half का flying. refuel, rearm, and he's gone. So that only a joint. I mean, what we call is centralized control, but decentralized operations.
Operations.
You know, that's what we believe in the Air Force. So you use the Air Force much better that way, particularly in our circumstances when you don't have the luxury of 10 Air Forces like the US has, theaters as wide as Atlantic to
Globe,
Pacific
yes, sir.
to wherever they've got global ambitions, global reach, global power, they call it. We don't have any global reaches. You want to go to Muscat tomorrow or Qatar or someplace, I mean, operations ke liye, the Air Force will move wherever you tell it. Whose command? How does it matter? They may be put during that operation under the maritime commander. Maybe. Possible. But they'll be allocated and joint planning se hoga. So that's, I feel the Air Force should be treated that way and used that way. Best used. And Sindoor was a clear example. I mean, it worked beautifully, no?
Yes, sir.
If you look at Sindoor,
Yes.
just with the planning on top, quick, and how we reacted. Then the air defense, if you look at it, all the air defense assets were being not commanded by the Air Force, but they were integrated.
Integrated, yes.
In the, what we call the Integrated Air Command and Control System, IACCS, which was being planned in 2001 when I was DSR. We were planning it, and it took time to implement it and refine it. It's there. So you integrated all the different assets, and it worked beautifully. How does it matter whose command it was? As long as you're integrated and the control is, one person is allocating which system will engage what. Everything was integrated. So, and that is how I think, despite the number of drones that we hear about, the number of missiles they launched, not one really did any damage except in civilian areas where they church mein or I think Jammu में somewhere
पंच गुरुद्वारा सर and yes.
एक गुरुद्वारे में उन्होंने सिविलियंस को मार दिया, थोड़े बहुत डैमेज करा, बट एयरफील्ड मिलिट्री टारगेट्स में
Nothing.
कहाँ हुआ? कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. It's because of that. But lesson, I mean, I'll give you the article. The lesson remains that आज हमने कर दिया ये 4 दिन में. They went, I mean, उनके घुटने टेक दिए उन्होंने, जैसे बोल रहे हैं लोग. सही बात. पर 4 साल बाद, 5 साल बाद, it won't remain static. And